Ever stood in the kitchen, glancing at the clock, and wished you could whip up a delicious meal without the ticking time monster looming over you? Imagine having more time to enjoy your meals and less time spent in preparation. Today, we're diving into the top 5 time-saving cooking hacks that every food enthusiast needs to know. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who wants more out of their day, these tips can streamline your cooking process dramatically. Ready to unlock the secrets to faster meal prep? Stick around to the end, where we'll reveal a bonus tip that could transform how you approach cooking altogether. Don't miss out. Prep ingredients in bulk. Efficient meal preparation often starts with a little planning. Prepping your ingredients in bulk can save you a ton of time throughout the week. Why chop onions one meal at a time when you can do it all at once? Set aside some time at the beginning of the week to wash, chop, and store your veggies, meats, and other essentials. Using sealable bags or airtight containers, you can keep everything fresh and ready to toss into any dish. Imagine the convenience of having your onions pre-diced or chicken pre-marinated when it's time to cook. Poll. What's the one ingredient you always wish you had prepped ahead of time? Let us know in the comments. By having these items ready to go, you not only save time but also reduce the effort of cleaning up every single day. It's about building a foundation that makes cooking less of a task and more of a pleasure. Use one-pan recipes for quick cleanup. Do you find the prospect of a mountain of dirty dishes stressful? One-pan recipes are the ultimate time savers, reducing not just cooking time, but cleanup afterwards. How does this hack revolutionize your cooking experience? Mealtime becomes a breeze when you bake, roast, or sauté everything in one pan or dish. Not only does it trap flavors in one place, but it minimizes the amount of dishwashing necessary. Think sheet pan dinners or skillet meals, where proteins, starches, and veggies all cook together perfectly. Are you more of a bake everything on one tray person, or do you prefer skillet meals? Show your preference in the comments. This strategy emphasizes the beauty of simplicity and has the added benefit of infusing your meals with mouth-watering flavors as everything cooks together. Embrace kitchen gadgets for efficiency. In the age of technology, gadgets are your friends in the kitchen. Have you considered how small appliances can shave off precious minutes from your cooking prep? Tools like food processors, spiralizers, and instant pots cut down on manual labor and speed up the cooking time. A mandolin slicer can quickly turn any vegetable into perfectly uniform slices, while an instant pot dramatically reduces cooking time for both simple and complex recipes. Embracing these tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Challenge. Try using a kitchen gadget you haven't yet mastered this week and see how it changes your routine. Tell us about your experience in the comments. By incorporating these gadgets into your routine, you transform the kitchen from a place of chores to a space of creative and efficient meal assembly. Here's a surprise about kitchen organization that could boost your efficiency unexpectedly. Stay tuned for our nifty organizing tip that might change your kitchen game entirely. Master the art of freezer-friendly meals. Ever thought how liberating it would be to have a homemade meal ready without the hassle of cooking it every time? Freezer-friendly meals are not just about leftovers. They're a time-saving plan within themselves. By preparing and freezing meals ahead of time, you eliminate the stress of daily cooking. Grab your airtight containers, choose meals that freeze well, like casseroles, soups, and stews, and portion them out. When mealtime arrives, simply reheating can provide homemade quality without the effort. Poll. What's your go-to meal to freeze for later? Share your tried and true favourites in the comments. Prepped freezer meals are lifesavers on busy days and also serve as backups when plans go awry. It's about investing a little effort now for countless hassle-free meals later. Organise your kitchen for seamless workflow. A well-organised kitchen paves the way for efficiency. What if rearranging a few items could transform how you function in the kitchen? Keep regularly used items, like oils and spices, easily accessible. Arrange your kitchen based on frequently used zones: prep area, cooking area, and cleaning zone. Knowing where everything is not only speeds up your process, but also reduces frustration and clutter. Poll. Is there a particular part of your kitchen you wish was more efficient? Let's strategize together in the comments. The principle of an organized kitchen lies in accessibility and tidiness, enabling a smoother, more enjoyable cooking process. Bonus tip: the power of learning batch cooking. As hinted, here's the bonus insight. Learning the art of batch cooking weekly essentials like rice, beans, or roasted veggies saves time throughout the week. How does turning this into a habit streamline your meal prep? Batch cooking provides a ready supply of basic ingredients that can be combined differently to make new meals each day. Consider cooking a large pot of grains and using it to create several different recipes throughout the week. The variety never gets old, and the efficiency speaks for itself. Poll. For those who've tried batch cooking, do you have a staple item you always prepare in advance? Let's share ideas below. Becoming adept at batch cooking elevates meal prep from a daily to-do to a streamlined burst of productivity, leaving more time for enjoying your meals and life. Simplifying mealtime with smart strategies. These 5 cooking hacks: bulk prepping, one-pan recipes, using kitchen gadgets, freezing meals, and organizing for success, arm you with the tools to transform meal prep from stressful to seamless. Integrate these tricks to lighten your culinary load, leaving more time for what truly matters. Poll. Which hack will you start with today? Tell us in the comments and kickstart your efficient cooking journey. If these tips have inspired you to take charge of your kitchen time, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical advice and cooking wisdom. Tap the notification bell too, so you never miss out on future tips that make life easier and cooking more enjoyable. Bonus interaction. Show us your meal prep or kitchen organization. Capture before and after shots and share your journey towards efficiency. Thank you for joining us on this expedition to quicker, smarter cooking. Until next time, keep experimenting and enjoying the joy of food.